Hey my chocolatiers, and it's your girl Jania Renee, and how you doing today? If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. I know it's been a while since you've seen me, and I am in a new scenery. I'm just at my homegirl's house, kicking and chilling. Currently today we're here to review this hair, and this is from Nadula hair. It's in the inches of 24 and 122 and an 18-inch closure. So this is what it's looking like. And currently it is crimped. It is not in its natural wave pattern because it is body wave, and I think I got it in Malaysian. So here you go. That's a cute picture. I need to say that. But anyway, and so what can I talk about? The hair came the hair came pretty fast. I got it on a Friday, and I think I received it by Tuesday, Wednesday. The only thing that went negatively with this whole order is I ordered a HT lace 20-inch frontal. That's what I ordered, but they were out of it, so they gave me just this 18-inch closure. That's not necessarily what I wanted, but it's okay. The hair is really soft. This is only like my second day with it, or one full day. I slept in it. I don't get any shedding. The only thing is, like, probably because it's curled and needs some oil, that I get a little snags, but I'm going all the way from the nape of my neck forward, and you see just a little resistance, but not too much. And then I will put clips in of when I first got the bundles and what that looked like in the box and all that stuff. Hello YouTube, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Nadula hair. So here we go. So this is what it came in with, the lashes. Yeah, I probably won't be using these, but here you go. And you just come with the hair and this closure. So this is what it came like, and I'm gonna take the closure out so we can look at that as well as a bundle. So here is the closure. So it has bounce, it's shiny, it's actually pre-plucked, as you can see a little bit, and it's pretty thick up in here. Like, okay, here's a better view of the hairline. Now I wanted it to be HG lace, but you'll hear why I got this. I'm guessing transparent lace, so it definitely has to be dyed, at least for my skin tone, because woo. But yeah, and it's really thick up in here, so it'll have to be plucked throughout. But overall, it's very soft and bouncy, so that's good. All right, now here is the bundle, and it's so soft, you guys. Like, and this is a 24-inch, so I'm trying to get it all. And it has bounce. You see that shine? Here's the weft construction. It looks very good. Here's the ends. And let me just, the ends look really good. And once again, this hair is super soft. It is super soft. So I'm only just showing this bundle. And this is one of the 24s. So right now, currently, I am enjoying it. I will give it a good probably 9.5, if not 10. It's pretty good. I'll probably come back to y'all maybe in another month and see how it's holding up. But besides that, I want to thank you for watching, and stay golden. If I told you you were beautiful.